Hey guys, today I want to talk to you about another database in the Mesquite ISD portal under the Library Services tab. The database that we're going to talk about today is Britannica Escolar. It is available to students in grades K through 5th grade. So it is prompting me for my grade level. Of course, I'm going to pick primary, and it might not prompt you for that. I have access to secondary content, so it might not ask you for that. So basically, when you open up the database, this is what it looks like, and the content is in Spanish. You're going to notice that there is a search bar that students can search by, and there are also just areas that are already divided up. So like if kids were interested in geography, they can click on the geography tab, and it will bring up different habitats, countries, cities. It also has a list of articles over here that students can access that relate to geography. If I click on one of the articles, it basically looks like this. Anything that is in blue means that it's going to take it to another database article that's related to that topic. If a student double clicks on a word, it will give them the definition, and they can just close that out. You're going to notice that at the bottom there are different pictures, so students can click on pictures and it will give an explanation of them. If you want to go back to the home screen, what you're going to do is you're going to click on just the icon in the corner and once again pick primary. You're also going to see that there's a biography section. The biography section is divided into the different letters of the alphabet. So if students are going into this database and they don't really know like who they're wanting to do their search on, but they know they're needing to do a biography, they can just click on the biography section and the different letters, and it will give them a list of all the different biographies they have in that section for that person. So if they see somebody that they want, all they have to do is click on their name and it will bring up the article. With the articles, when it brings them up, it divides them into different areas. So you'll notice that here's the introduction, and then it has subheadings that the students can click on, and it will give them more information that is related to the subheading. And also in this database, you're going to notice that there are different activities for the little ones to click on. So if they are wanting to do some fun games over mathematics, they can click on here and it will play a game with them. So I don't really want to do that, so I'm going to try to escape that and go back home. But there are fun games in there. Remember, if you want to go back to the home key, you're just going to click on Britannica Escolar and pick primary. This is a section that has video clips, so kids that are interested in just watching some video clips, they can click here. This is your atlas, so if students just click on different parts of the map, it will populate and bring it in. If students don't know like what they're searching for, they can always just type the location into the search key. And also under here, you're also just going to notice that it has some fun facts on the front page, and there's always the search bar. So if kids know what they're searching for and they don't need to click on any of the headings that are here to find the content, they can just type their information in right here. Remember that this is a database that is done in Spanish, so for our students that have a hard time in Britannica Elementary, this is a good option if Spanish is their primary language. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask, and I hope you have a good day. Bye.